Insert your power cord. Insert your interface cable, either Ethernet or USB. Turn on the printer. Select Menu, Settings, Media Setting, Media Source, and ensure Internal is selected if you are using rolls. Open the paper cover. Remove the spindle from the printer. Load the roll paper on the spindle and fix it with the flang. Set the spindle back into the printer. Close the paper cover. Press pause. Open the paper cover. Feed your labels into the printer and adjust the paper guide to the size of your label. Close the paper cover. Press the pause button. You are now set to print.